Hi, it's John here from Speedy Brick, and a few days ago I built this amazing little car that Magnus from KineticKit has designed. I really enjoyed the build. It was lots of fun putting it together. He used lots of nice techniques, and he's got a huge range of cars that he's designed on Rebrickable. I'll put the link in the description below so you can have a look at what he has designed. And I've chosen three. So this was the first one. The second one, or the next one, is a Lancia LC2. So I've got a packet load of parts here, which I've got from Rebrickable and from my own collection. So I'm looking forward to building this. But I thought you might like to know a little bit more about the LC2. So it was a race car in the World Sports Car Championship, which is kind of the precursor to the World Endurance Championship and the Le Mans series, if you like. So it was quite successful in its day. It didn't quite beat out the Porsches, but from 1983 until 1986, it was quite successful. The Lancia had a Ferrari engine in it. It was a 3-litre V8, so it was quite powerful. But they did have some reliability issues, as did the Ferraris back in those days. So they had some reliability issues and some fuel economy issues. So that kind of restricted their ability to succeed in lots of endurance races, given they were kind of 1,000-kilometre races or 1,000-mile races. But it should be a fun build. There's no stickers involved. It's the Martini racing livery. So we're going to have some brick-built stripes and stuff like that. So it should be good. And I'm looking forward to building it. I've got the instructions. I've got the parts. Let's get going. So we're ready to get going. We've got our instructions. Thank you, Magnus, for sending those. We've got our parts, and we've even got some quite neat little parts to use here. The little Lord of the Rings ring. So be interested to see where that's going to go. And let's get building. up to step 27, so about halfway through the build. And so far, I'm really liking it. These two pieces here, I've knocked them off about 10 times so far, so they're a bit sensitive. But the whole construction, the way of building is really nice. It's quite unique. I haven't been building this way before. It's kind of lots of unique building techniques being used, so that's nice. We're going to hide the engine, I guess, but it's nice that he's put it in there, and great to see this use of these little gold ring pieces to turn the stud around, so that's quite cool. And overall, I'm really enjoying it. So let's get on with the rest of the build and see how that goes. So that's the car complete. There was 51 steps in the build, and overall I think he's done an extremely good job in creating the shape and the kind of this airflow through through the car. You can actually take this back canopy off and see the engine, which is quite nice little detail. The front end is really nice. I really like the way he's got these lights stepping back and this whole flow. It's quite complex to build and it's a little bit delicate, but the overall result's really good. I like that it's all the color scheme for the Martini Racing is brick built, so that's really nice. You might benefit from some stickers, but there's no stickers on this set. And the back end is also really nice, even though these two pieces aren't actually touching, are just kind of leaning against each other, not connected. It still works. And these pieces were a bit sensitive and I knocked them off a bunch of times, as you probably will see on the video. But overall, I really do like it, and I think he's done a great job in designing the set. So what do you guys think? Is this the sort of car you would add to your collection? Do you like the way that he's done the kind of his building process? And what do you think of it? Look forward to seeing your comments, and until next time, happy building. Bye. Please click to subscribe for more videos and watch my build and review videos by clicking here. Thank you.